Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. So we've got another Biasi to look at, and it's just going into a lockout. No heating and no hot water, and we're going to repair it. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right guys, we're just gonna open the tap, get the demand on, and let's see what happens. Right, I got the demand done for domestic hot water. It's not going through any process, no ignition process at all. Just goes into a lockout, no sparks, no nothing. So the boiler seems confused. So when the boiler seems like it's confused and it's doing random things, that normally means one thing, which is the board is gone.
So, are you going to put it on YouTube, our boiler?
Sorry?
Are you going to put it on YouTube, our boiler?
Yeah, do you
Are
want
you?
to
Did you film them before?
Do you come in and film it?
No, it's gonna.
Why not?
I'm not cameraman. I'll leave you to it.
Oh, by coming here, you're doing my film now.
All right.
So you'll be famous, you'll be on YouTube, yeah?
Famous.
You'll be on YouTube, yeah? I said you're gonna be on here.
Yeah, the boiler.
And you, I already made a film there. Right guys, the new circuit board is all wired in, but there's more problems on this one. Now once the board's in, we had to program the board. Now one of the processes when you programming the board, you have to disconnect the thermistor inside the combustion chamber. Once I got the combustion chamber opened up, I realized the condenser pipe is broken, so we had to go out and get another condenser pipe for it. Now the condenser pipe must have been damaged for a long time, and all that leak must have been going through the combustion chamber, through one of the grommets onto the circuit board. That's caused the board to get damaged. So if you got a boiler that's leaking, get it sorted quick as you can. So guys, look at that. Central heating's on, demand's on, right, and the board is fired up. Okay. Sorted, yeah. Circuit board was an issue on here, a couple of other things. The condenser was also broken on here, it's leaking. But it's all sorted for him. It's all working fine now. So this one's sorted. Now if your board is broken, then give us a call in Birmingham, South Birmingham. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.